Hello everyone, and this is my final project for the final demo. And let me just get started. So when you start out, it just spawns enemies, and after a certain amount of time, then it spawns the next group of enemies. Uh, if it's mostly for demo purposes that I just have a few amount of enemies. If it wasn't for the demo, then I would have a lot more enemies spawning. So far, none of my power-ups have spawned, but that's not a problem. Just gotta get through them, and then I like to kill the UFOs before I kill the boss, so that's easier to do the next level. So what you're supposed to do in this level is dodge all these enemies. They're called Swarm, and they kind of just charge you. And luckily, all three of my power-ups have spawned in this part of it. So I have a secondary weapon, which is called the Shield Blast, and it just damages enemies. And whenever the power-up is on it, it gives it a bigger spread, but when it's not, it's a much smaller blast. And then my other one, the power-up for the gun, it gives a wider spread to the gun, and then it's so that it's easier to hit enemies. And that's everything in my game. Thank you for watching. Gives a wider spread to the gun, and then it's so that it's easier to hit enemies. And that's everything in my game.